Hello everyone, it's Dave with Dave's Auto DIY. Today we're fixing a chipped windshield. A stone hit my windshield today, so I'm going to use a repair kit that I already had, and I'll let you follow along and see how this works. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So this is the kit I purchased from Amazon. It's a kit that will do 4 separate window repairs. Some of the pieces are reusable, but it comes with 4 little vials of resin, 4 stickers, a whole bunch of these plastic sheets. The other parts you reuse. So let's get started with the first step. So the first step is to peel one side of the paper off the vinyl sticker and center the hole of the vinyl sticker right over the center of the chip. Make it sure it's all pressed down tight, and then peel the paper or plastic off the other side so that you have the sticky surface exposed. Then you center the plastic nozzle right on the middle of the sticky thing with the tab overlapping the tab on the sticker. I put gloves on for this step. Next, you put about 5 or 6 drops into the hole. Then you take the syringe, you insert the syringe tightly into the nozzle, and you draw a vacuum. And you do that by pushing it in with the syringe down. You pull the syringe out past a little notch in the side of the plunger, and it'll hold on the little wire clip. And so you leave it like this for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now. So we remove the syringe, let air in, pull it out to the max position, and then we push it back in, and we now put pressure on it. The opposite, we push pressure in until it clicks in the other notch on the spring clip. And we leave that for 20 minutes. Now I should mention that this step should be done in the shade. All right, so it's been 20 minutes now, so we'll take the plunger off. Oh, came right off the sticker. Now we have to remove this rubber piece from the windshield. So then you have to remove the vinyl sticker. It's easier to use the razor blade that the kit comes with, and then clean up if there's any residue left before going on to the next step. Okay, then we put the little plastic film down and a drop of resin right in the center of the stone chip. Then lower the plastic film to spread it out even and leave it like that. Park it in the sun for about 15 minutes for it to cure. If it's a shady day, you might have to leave it for an hour. But today it's very sunny, so 15 minutes will do. So it's been about 15 minutes now. So I'll peel off the plastic film and use the razor blade to scrape off all the excess resin. It's pretty easy to come off and doesn't scrape the glass in any way. And when you're done scraping off all the excess resin, just use a little bit of glass cleaner to clean up what's left. And you're done. So overall, I'm very happy. It's not a perfect repair, but I wasn't expecting a perfect repair, but it did work. So I'll give it 5 stars. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY.